Hello guys, we're back with another video. Here is a new project. We always tear it apart off camera. So, there's Dad. We got that many seconds, and whenever it says ready, gotta wait more because danky battery charger, very danky. New hard hat, don't mind that. More DeWalt. Oh, and guys, let me show you my homemade ratchet mulch. I made this. You guys might be thinking, that's a Pittsburgh. But I did make it. I upgraded it. So, ookie mookie. And here's my collection of new ratchets. That's that. Socket. Yeah, all the back stuff is exactly the same. But you see more. Do you? Yeesh. I know. But you guys don't know. I finally got something new. You guys probably haven't been asking for it. And I'm pretty sure kids aren't supposed to have these. Probably not. Air impact. And well, actually, we bought a part which just used to be my dad's impact, but we're trying to fix it. Yeah, it's teared apart. It's an Ingersoll Rand. And we have another Ingersoll Rand in here. And lots more things today. Because, more stuff. What is this? What? How did this get here? So, we have a dinky old toolbox that I'm so short I have to get on the stool. Oh, jeez, Mr. Dinky. Here we go, more ratchets, usual. Yeah. Ratchets. A lot of ratchets, actually. Oh, Dad has a Easy Red now. First time Dad's going to be testing out the old Easy Red. Screwdrivers. Those screwdrivers. Those. Yeah. That's a lot of stuff. Wrenches and stuff. I know a lot of drawers on this dinky old toolbox. The limited edition is messed up because more like these limited editions seem like they're limited edition because they are not worth anything. You cannot open up half of the drawers. But you guys might have saw the air impacts. But what you guys didn't see, air grinders, are my 3 new Ingersoll Rand air grinders. Ingersoll Rand. I like Ingersoll Rand, guys. If you guys are like more of a snap-on guy, then that's you. I like Snap-on. But guys, I think it's the old time. Hey Dad, can you hold this choke and like just whenever I say turn on the choke, turn on the choke. Let me move this. Dang it, that's stinky. What? Oh wait. Dinky.
Apparently it don't have. You need to get some starter fluid. Where's your starter fluid at?
It's up here. I don't have that much brake cleaner. No, not that much starting fluid. We could probably use brake cleaner if that's the flammable stuff. Hot starting fluid. 20-year-old starting fluid. That's enough. It's not going to spray out anymore. I told you, almost all my starting fluid cans are empty.
You need more starting fluid, don't you?
Yeah. We got some starting fluid down there. How much gas we got in there? That you should probably not have that on full throttle. This thing is dangerous with full throttle. We got enough gas, don't we? Yeah, we do. And guys, I have one more project up here actually. It's another MTD, one of my favorites. Just kidding, sarcastic. I do not like MTDs anymore. that's one thing. Air compressor, bench grinder. I have all the dangerous tools. Well, that's charging.
I don't know if we're gonna be down there all week or not.
Here's Dad's Easy Red. Pretty nice. It's 1/4 inch. So, that's how good that is. I got some grease, because we grease every single ratchet with that grease. Nicky carburetor, one of the worst. Just saying, whoever are Briggs & Stratton fans, like, I'm sorry, but I have a hate and love relationship with Briggs & Strattons. Like, sometimes I hate them, sometimes I like them. And this is a twin-cylinder Briggs & Stratton that you see. It's a Husky. It's nothing special. It's just made by MTD. Because Mr. MTD has to take over every single company around here. Cub Cadet, everything. Mr. Magnet, we had to use that other day because Mr. Ratchet. So, Mr. Carburetor. There's dirt in that carburetor. I know that's for
Is this
sure.
thing gonna run?
It ran. It's ran before. Wait, it's not ready. Dad, turn off the key. It's still not ready. I say when it's ready, Dad. I had some of these squiggly things. They're very fun to play with. Dad, Celine, there is definitely going to be a video on that because needs to be fixed. So need to replace the tire and we need to replace the head gasket. Right, Dad? Nice. We finally have the wiring harness for the scrambler. But Dad didn't order the right seal again because Dad orders the wrong stuff sometimes.
Yeah. Hard to get parts.
I swear, that's the smallest little spark plug I've ever seen. That looks like the spark plug out of my Chinese four-wheeler. The spark plug on my weed whacker is bigger than that. My weed whacker. So, DeWalt drill works. That DeWalt. Yeah. That's what we have. So, Mr. Dinky. Dinky, dinky, dinky. Dinky. I need to do something. Where's a little flathead screwdriver? Probably have one in my toolbox. It's probably the easiest drawer I can actually open in my toolbox. No, that's my Mac. I don't want to use my Mac. No, wrong thing. Nope. Nope. Where in the flip is the flathead? Where in tarnation? Oh. We just got some stuff, which there's no fuel running into it, so where's it? Oh. Probably a dirt diver nest.
Oh, dirt diver nest.
Yeah, I don't really like them. We got our sketchy battery hooked up. Very sketchy. Jerry can. Yeah. Always engage the parking brake and sit on the seat. But we already bypassed that. You turn the key, Dad.
We need some more time. That battery needs to sit in charge for about a half an hour, bud.
You are a little dinky charger.
No, it's not that. There's no power to it.
No,
You need a jump pack.
nice. What we have here, guys, is very dinky things. New light, which you guys have not seen yet. Very nice light. And you can see air conditioning leaks because...
Air conditioning leaks.
Yeah.
No, because it's got
A
black light.
Yeah, black light on the end where the top fell off. But that's already been fixed with some duct tape and bolts to hold that little thingy. Yeah, the shop didn't want it anymore because the top fell off and that thing couldn't have held on. But my dad's brother had a smart idea of putting duct tape and bolts. And it works. It works. Pretty dinky, but it works. We got some liquid wrench, the good stuff. We don't have that grease stuff that we encountered the other day. Very, very not good. Very, very not good. We don't want that very not good. But I did get the mowing deck unseized, guys, so should be good. This is the most amazing thing ever. Get one of those if you don't have one in your shop. Like the ones that fold down. Like it's not dinky, it's the best dinky. Like it's dinky, but it's not dinky. Dad, show him your favorite ratchet. Dad just loves his round heads. Don't you?
Uh-huh.
Dad likes them. This Easy Red ratchet is a very nice. Look online. I know on eBay, if you get to the end, they will show you this percent off website. Like $17 off. Like, that's pretty good. So. Yeah, guys, we have these now. More Milwaukee, because we always needed more. Right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So, oh yeah, Dad got some cobalt black extensions for his impacts. But we all know I gotta have my only air impacts. Because Mr. Air. Yeah. The case is right there. I'll show you guys my two other impacts. So, but you guys haven't seen this impact because it wants to hide, but it does work. It's made of China. It sounds like the best. So. Rash screech. Very careful with that wiring harness. We have the ear exploder, finger crusher. Everything is stacked into this. And this is the heaviest impact I have, but not the loudest. The loudest is the oldest. So this actually works really good. I like it a lot. So, yeah, I haven't been able to use it yet, but probably will. So, impact sockets. This one looks like it's been used. This one's look like it's been used. But the person that had this before us looks like he didn't use it that much.
Huh.
So, Mr. Ingersoll Rand, you guys might be saying Ingersoll Rand's not that good, but I'm not going to go out and buy a Snap-on. I only asked for those for Christmas. And my birthday. But there's no need for me to have a Snap-on Impact if I'm not going to use it that much. Like, maybe whenever, like, I start working in a shop, but I'm not working in a shop yet, so I'm not going to go out and buy a Snap-on Impact. So, we might have many other projects coming. And online, they are selling like $40 GoPros that are like really good, apparently. And we might test them out. Finally, now I have to hold a ginormous phone. Ginormous. This big. This big. This big. That big. This is number 1 cylinder. This is number 2 cylinder. Nice cylinders. But I don't need that second cylinder. I only need it straight out. I don't need a second cylinder. I know they're good. But geez, I don't need a second cylinder.
You want to try it?
Let me see if it says ready. Wait, we should probably wait like a couple more minutes because this could have just turned ready. And if it did, then Mr. Ready is not ready. Know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So, we do have liquid wrench though. We finally have the good stuff, not the grease stuff. Not the grease stuff, because the grease stuff, dumpster. Oh, and the funny thing is the other day, I had like a good kind of brake cleaner from like the person that makes engine gunk, like that you can buy from AutoZone. And I opened it. Top was broke off, and I was like, I guess I'm just gonna throw this in the trash. But before I threw it in the trash, it started spraying everywhere over this lawnmower. We didn't have a battery hooked up. Good things. But it sprayed everywhere. Yeah, it went in the trash can while it was spraying. And it probably stayed like that for like 5 minutes after that. So.
Are you ready?
Oh, I feel like we should wait 1 more minute.
All right.
Yeah. 1 more minute. That's good. So, we do have a